let's find this limit by filling out the table. We're going to see that there's easier ways of doing this, but table's one method. X approaches 3 of x squared plus 4x. And we got x, f of x, and we got 2.9, 2.99, 2.39, and then this is the one we want to find. Then on this side, we got 3.001, 3.01, and 3.1. Now you could do this a hard way and do it by hand. I'm going to show you how to do it on the calculator. So I'm going to press my y equals, press clear, and we're going to plug in x squared plus 4x. So do x squared plus 4x. I'm going to down arrow to y2 and I'll press clear. Doesn't hurt to have 0 there, but you don't need it. Now I'm going to go to my table setup. So I do second window, and you see where it says independent, you want that to say ask. If yours doesn't say ask, down arrow to the independent line, and right arrow, put your flashing cursor on ask and press enter. Okay, now we want to go to the table. So if we do second graph, it takes us into table mode. And unless you've already done this before, you probably don't have anything here. I'll press delete over and over to clean mine out. And we'll put in the first number, 2.9. And we get 20.01. Now let me just talk about if you were doing this by hand, what you'd do. 2.9 is our x. You'd plug in into x squared plus 4x. You got your x squared plus 4x. You'd plug in your 2.9 for the x. And then that would give you your 20.01. So it just saves you time by having a calculator do this. Now our next one is 2.99. So do 2.99, press enter, and we get 20.9. Our next one, we'll do 20.9939, press enter. Let's try that again. So that doesn't look right. 2.39, and press enter. 20.99. Okay, now let's look at it from the other side. Let's put in 3.001. Gives us 21.01. 3.01. 3.01. 21.1. And then 3.1. And that gives us 22.01. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're studying it as it approaches from the left side and as it approaches from the right side. Well, 20.01, 20.9, 20.99. It looks like it's going to 21 from this side. From here, 22.01, 21.1, 21.01. It looks like it's approaching 21 from that side. So it looks like 21 is our answer. Now you could put more in there, like 2.39s. You could have 2.49s. And you see it goes 2. What did I do? I did 5 nines. Oh well. 2.49s. And press enter. You see it's getting even closer to 21. So again, this is not exactly a perfect way to get it, but it's a way to approximate the limit. Because it may not be exactly 21, maybe 21.00001. But again, that's how you do it with the table.